good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Oh, who is this new girl? New. How are you guys doing? Say morning. Where are we going? Morning, Faves. Where are we going?
To a big park.
Why? Yes. Today is Tyler end of year celebration activity, whatever they want to call it, happening. He's supposed to reach there at 9, but of course the park that is happening is close to home. Babe, say morning to the face.
Hi guys.
So we are on our way there. It's going to be rough to find parking, so of course we leave in advance just so that we can at least sneak a parking close to where the activities will be happening. But if not, then babe gonna have to just drop me and Ty, find a parking and come back real quick. But anyway, should be a fun filled day. We are first time parents having a child in school, so we have no idea what to expect. And I was asking babe if he doesn't remember these things going to school, and he have like vivid memory, doesn't really remember what to expect or what the deal be like or how long it will be. So I woke up this morning and I cook rice and chicken because I don't intend to go there and starve for the day. And knowing me and French food, they will have food, I'm sure, but I might not eat it. So your girl pack her bag with rice and chicken and juice and water so that I won't be starved all day. So yeah, food is in my bag and I'm happy. So we're on our way to Tyler's activity. Let's see what the day holds and what performances are. Any little thing, if I can just capture him on camera, then I will. It's gonna be a little hard because other kids will be in it and there are policies of you can't post other people's kids and stuff like that. So I'll try to at least zoom him in if he's performing and stuff like that, so you guys can see what his day will be like. Anyway, hopefully you guys having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed. This preggo mama is not feeling too bad right this very moment, so hopefully my day continues like this. But of course you guys will know by the end of the vlog how it goes. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up. Thumbs up this video, subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam, and we are off to my pumpkin's day, right? So see you guys later. You excited? Yes. When I woke up, when I went to his room this morning to wake him up, he didn't even say morning first. He said, Mama, c'est la fête des enfants. He's ready for his activity today. Anyway, guys, let's go have a good day.
Qui manque une dizaine d'enfants. Donc, les parents concernés, les enfants de maternelle sont appelés à
You guys, Taylor performance was the cutest. You did so good. He was dancing like crazy. He was dancing and performing like crazy. This is such a proud moment as parents when you can see him do these things. And just as I was about to catch some clips on Instagram, the performance stuff. I had a lot of the clips on the camera, but I won't be able to show you guys much. But I'll be very careful in what I show you guys. But yeah, Tyler is having a good time, and I think the little kids are on a little pause from the performances, and then they have bounce about to put up at the back, and because it's just gonna be a long day, but we're having a good time. You had fun? You have more performances to do? You have more songs to perform down there? Yes? I love Shea Mama song. There's a song that was playing that I want you guys to listen to. I hope I'll remember to put it in the description box down below. It's really a nice song. I love it, and Tyler always singing it.
Khadija, Linada, je suis là.
Allez les garçons et les filles aussi.
Tyler, Ty.
Mettez les filles dedans. Allez, mets ton pied. Bouge, bonhomme.
Go, Ty.
Allez-y.
Go, Tyler, go.
Allez,
Go,
Yassine.
baby.
Maxence.
Go, Tyler,
C'est
go.
là. Allez, c'est
Go,
bien.
go, go.
Très bien.
Go, Ty, go, baby, go, climb. Tyler, Ty. Choose a nice one, okay?
Marie, est-ce que je peux avoir la boîte? Celle-là? Oui,
Tyler getting tattoo. Di Messi. Tyler is now doing fishing. He's doing fishing. He's fishing for a gift. Up, up, Ty, up! Oh! Bravo! Yeah, you did it. It's in my hand. Yeah. Yes.
Good job.
You did good.
That was earlier. I did the same. You didn't want
You didn't want help?
When I want to help you, Mr. No, no.
Alright, let's see if we can go over there and then we can go after. You having fun? You having? Okay, that one, and then we get to go home after, okay? So we've been back from Tyler performance. Tyler, how was your spectacle this morning? How was it? You had fun? Yeah, you performed? Yes. What was your favorite performance? Which of Shea Mama, Shea Mama? That song is now my jam, you guys. I've been playing that song ever since we got back home, non-stop. That song is really a jam for me, and Tyler enjoyed it. We got home and we rested a little bit, and now we are on our way to the supermarket to pick up a few things, not our regular supermarket but another one, to pick up some things that we didn't find, like my Gatorade that I've been wanting, and we didn't find it at the regular supermarket I would normally go to, so I'm gonna see if we find it there. And babe have to go to an event for work that I'm not going to be able to join him because I'm just so tired, and he's just gonna go alone. So we're just gonna hang out a bit, and then baby's gonna go back home and head to that event. So it's a long day for babe today. But yeah, the day went really well, and most of the activities and most of the fun things that Tyler did, I couldn't film him because one, I didn't want to be just capturing everybody else's kids around, and he was just in his element and having so much fun, and I couldn't be following him around, so babe had to be doing that. But he had such a good time with his friends, and they'd get to meet some of the parents, and it was just really a good time. So I'm happy he had a lot of fun today, right, Tyler?
And Tyler.
Right, Tyler? Right, Tyler?
Yes.
Yes, who?
Yes.
Go here.
Yes. Oh, no.
Hi guys.
Okay, show them what we got, babe.
Well, we went to the little supermarket, and as I promised to Tyler, we went cheese hunting. So Tyler chose the cheese. He took the same one that that I booked in the week. He loved this one. In 3 days he was finished, and
Exactly.
Oh, I get this one. It's called Camembert, for person who know it. Is stronger than this one. It's like a different level.
Yeah.
This is good. And Tyler wanted this one. He also wanted to taste this one. It's called Chaussée au Moine. Oh, it's yummy. I'm thinking about myself too. And this one is a fourth one. This one is more to put on top of a bread or on a tart and to like
that one for me.
To toast.
It's like a cheese spread.
Right. So, babe, we tried this one. It don't have much taste.
Right.
It's not strong in the palate. So yeah, she's gonna try this, and that's not.
I've had something
It have
similar
enough
before.
taste for Tyler and I.
Oh,
So
no.
we like strong. We like strong cheese. So that was our cheese hunting. We got some pancake
Mix.
Because
the supermarket is the only supermarket we can find it.
This one we
right.
can't find it in our regular one. We got 3 pack of this.
And what else we got?
What else we got? We got Powerade. That was the main reason why we went to
Powerade shopping.
supermarket. We got 10 bottle of this. 10 bottle of Powerade. But you remember when we used to get the red? I think it was not Powerade.
Yeah,
Gatorade.
but I don't see
I don't see
any.
any
And
Gatorade
I
anymore.
deliberately looked for it just now, but it wasn't there.
No Gatorade.
All right, you're gonna.
There's too much ice cream.
There's too much. Where?
Too much in my spoon.
Oh. And we got
Too liquid.
ice cream. Yeah, because he said he didn't want to wait. He was ready for it now. What are you eating?
Ice
Where did we buy ice cream?
McDonald's.
Why are you using your left hand? You love using both hands? Do you using your left hand to eat? It's yummy.
It's
Alright, enjoy. So we got ice cream. Everybody got ice cream, but I didn't want to stay there. I wanted to come home and eat. And we also got cheesecake for babe and I when we're watching movie. Probably not tonight because he's going out, but tomorrow we shall have these. And baby's a caramel fan and I'm a strawberry fan on top of mine. So yeah, that's all the things that
I can have
we
half
got.
caramel and half.
Those are all the things that we got at our little supermarket run. You guys, it's just me and my girl here chilling because my 2 boys have abandoned me. Babe gone to work at an event and Tyler is in his room playing his Play-Doh. Oh, so since they abandoned me, Tyler is so busy playing his Play-Doh. Hear him, Tyler, not Tyler. He's so busy playing his Play-Doh. He said, Mama, I'm not coming to open these packages with you. And I got 2 packages in the mail. And I think they're from my mom. If they're not, then I'll insert the name of whoever they're from. But right now, let's just pretend that they're from mom because I'm expecting them. She messaged me and told me that she sent me some packages. So that's why I know that they're from mom. So let's see what she sends me. Ooh, this is a headband. This is a headband with animals on it. So cute. Oh my god, isn't this adorable? And the little onesie. So cute. I love it. Thank you, Mama. And there's another package. Let me see what's in this one. Oh. Ew. Oh my gosh. Mom said, oh, this is hilarious. This jacket, I got it from another subscriber already a few weeks ago. And here goes Mom sending me the same thing. And funny story is that I got, wait, I'm talking to the face. Funny story is that I got another package from Mom yesterday that it was a onesie that was on our registry and somebody else had purchased it. So I have 2 of that, and now I have 2 of the same jackets for baby girl. Hilarious. But thank you, Mommy. I appreciate it. Lots of love.
Mama,
yes, Stella.
I can't push
Look at
it.
him. What are you doing?
Can't push it.
What are you playing with?
Play-Doh, but I can't.
But you can't push it, so you want Mama to push it for you? You want Mama to help you?
Yes.
Okay. Come, let me see if I can. Oh. Oh. Okay, you can finish it now, but go push it in your room. Okay? So baby's off to his event at work, so it's just me and Tyler home. And I've been here relaxing, editing some vlog and just resting, but I think it's time for me to go and lay down. Tyler is in his room playing with his Play-Doh. Let's check on him to see what he's doing, because I'm coming on to end the vlog right now. So before I do so, let me show you guys Tyler, what he's doing. Let's see.
I'm coloring in my book.
You're coloring?
Yes.
You did that?
Yes.
You did all the pink dresses? Huh?
Yes.
You color the girls?
Yes.
Wow. I like it.
Like that I do.
You did a very good
Like
job.
that I do.
Yeah.
And I look at the numbers.
Okay, so you look at the numbers and it tell you where to color in what color, right?
Yes.
You did an amazing job.
And this is the green 45.
Okay, cool. Good job, Pumpkin. It's very beautiful. I'm so proud of you. So Tyler is obsessed with Play-Doh. He loves playing Play-Doh, but he didn't have any soft ones, so I revived these for him. All these were tough. So if you mamas wondering how to revive Play-Doh instead of buying new ones each time, when they get tough, like when your kids leave them open or whatever reason they get tough, I just put all the tough ones in a Ziploc bag, put them in some water, leave the Ziploc closed overnight, and by the next day they're back to fresh Play-Doh, soft as can be.
These are soft.
Yes, they are soft, and you are making teeth for your dentist mouth. You're making teeth for your man?
Yes.
Cool. You're so sweet. Alright, tell the faves, see you guys later.
See you guys later.
No, see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow.
And what should they do? So give this video a
Thumbs up.
and comment.
Down.
Yes, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah, and catch
Up and people.
yes. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys, because it's just Tyler and I home, so it makes sense I just end the vlog right now. So see you guys tomorrow
And
in our
the
next vlog.
babies and
Baby girl is here. It's alright, so you're chilling.
She's not going to win.
No, she's home with us, right?
Yeah.
Alright. He's such a sweet boy. Anyway, you guys, we're out.